Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special unboxing and no fancy video today. Let's just get into it and see what we got. I don't know if you can read who this is from, but I can surely tell you, most of you who watch my channel will certainly know who it is by the time you see what's inside. So this package I ordered quite a while ago, and one of the items was on pre-order, which is why this took quite a bit of time, but I'm really excited to do this. So anyway, let's rip off the Band-Aid. And any guesses? Well, all your questions be answered. We have official Heiss merch for the first time. And as you can see kind of behind the box there, I've got a small switching layout here, and you'll have seen that in shorts and in other videos at some point. You know, I'll do a little layout tour, and I interchange with some railroads. And so not only do we have a pin for the ES&D, but let's see this new railroad that this Buffalo route is going to be interchanging, or the Buffalo Valley and Western. And here it is, the brand new version 3 box car. The Everything's Worse Kenosha route car. And wow, this is a really nice red. I'm a big fan. Sorry, I'm just bringing it up to myself for me to get a look at it. It's a really nice car. All right, so there's one. And that was the one that was on pre-order. That's the new run. And let's take a look at number 2. Let's see what this is here. Here we go. And we've got the full send boxcar. This is a 50-foot car. Now on my layout, I have only 40-foot boxcars, but I thought I would make an exception since this is merch anyway, and I'll come up with some funny backstory for the ES&D having a 50-foot boxcar instead of a 40. And what kind of shenanigans we can cause because of that. So anyway, we've got the pin, and we've got the 50-foot plug door boxcar, and the 40-foot Kenosha route Everything's Worse. I guess since we're here, I'll give you a sneak peek of the layout. I've got my Rapido D10 on here, and Rapido 44 tonner, and I'll pan over just to sneak peek of what's going on there. So anyway, these two cars will interchange, just like the South Buffalo cars, the Buffalo Creek cars, and gosh, it's gonna make the railroad just a little sillier. And the reason I bought the pin as opposed to something else is I collect pins from all the railroads that I visit. And even though I'm not visiting Colorado yet, I'm visiting the ES&D, I hope to someday. So I just think this is so funny. So anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Thank you, Heiss. Thank you, Leighton, for this awesome merch drop. And hopefully I'll get some more cars in the future, especially if these cars get runtime on the layout. But Leighton, you did a great job with the merch. Heiss, you did a great job just being you. And it's awesome. And if you don't know who Heiss is, definitely check him out. And definitely check out the 3/4 show. That is my absolute favorite. And the Railroading 101 stuff. There's lots of great gaming content, but I don't need to tell any of you about Heist because every single person that's here knows all about Heist. So, thank you all very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.